Everyone, welcome to Tech Scale. So it's been long that I haven't posted a video, so a lot of things were going around, but I am back with another video, and this week we are going to install a lot of custom ROMs. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, share the videos with your friends who are also ROM enthusiasts just like you and me. So let's start the video. So right now I am rocking the shape Shift OS, and if you want to watch the video about this ROM, the link is in this I button. And today we're going to install the Pixel Plus UI version 3.9 for our POCO F1. And apart from this, let me tell you the special thing about today's ROM is that we are going to see right now. This is a very generic custom camera in this phone, but in the ROM that we're going to install, we will be getting the MIUI camera. Ain't that cool? That will be super amazing. We'll test the camera and other stuff. So let's start the video now. So first of all, if there is any lock in your phone, go to the lock settings and remove the security lock. As I have nothing here, so I'll just type here none, and I will go to the volume up and power button. Like, I'll press the volume up and power button both at the same time to land to the TWRP section. And from there we will first of all wipe the whole device, because this is a different custom ROM that I'm going to use, and so that's why I'll have to wipe it. So let's allow modifications. Well, I'll click on wipe and format data, and I'll simply type here as yes, because I don't have anything in my phone. If you have important stuff in your phone, do copy it or make a backup of that. And a clean install is always recommended. So now we'll simply reboot it. Again, press the volume up and power button both at the same time, and again we will land to the TWRP section just like this. Come on, man. Yeah, so here we are in the TWRP section again. Let's swipe below modifications, and now I'll quickly copy the ROM file in my phone, and I will meet you on the install screen. So here I am back. So here, as you can see, you can see the Pixel Plus UI 3.9 here. I'll tap on this, and by the way, the link, download link is in the description. Do check it out, and I have also posted the download link in the Telegram channel. So head on to that as well and check it out. So I'll swipe to confirm flash. So as you can see, it says PPUI, that means Pixel Plus UI. As you can see, the Android version is still 11, because even the the stable builds of Android 12 are not out yet, because even the Pixels are receiving the beta builds yet. In the October, somewhere in the mid-October, we are going to see the stable builds for the Pixel, and very soon for our POCO F1 as well. So as you can see, the security patch is of 5th of September, that is of this month, and I'm very excited to install this ROM because this contains MIUI camera, and I really love MIUI camera, because now all those other features like 960 FPS and other stuff, so that will still work. And apart from that, even though like Google Camera rocks best in this phone, but Google Camera can be installed from any source, but this, what do we call it, the MIUI camera, this cannot be installed without rooting the phone. So they are natively giving it. That's super amazing. So let's keep this running and let this ROM get installed, and I will see you on the lock screen of the phone after setting the phone. Since this is a GApps build, so might take around about 5 to 10 minutes to set this up. So I'll meet you on the home screen. So here we are, and we have successfully booted the ROM. And let me tell you guys, this is Pixel Plus UI. Let me turn on the brightness. Let me turn on do not disturb. And first of all, just for the review purpose, I will turn off the dark theme, because it's kind of hurt the screen. So here we are. We have, as you can see, wallpaper is a little bit dark, but we'll work with it. Oh my god, this is smooth. This is smooth as butter, like really. And I'm excited about the camera. Let's see. And oh yes. And for some strange reasons, camera crashed out. Again, I'll turn it on. Okay, so this is working, guys. And let me go to the video section. Yeah, it works. Let me go here. Okay, and we have all the MIUI features over here, like MIUI camera features over here. And let's go to the slow motion. If we have it here, we are going to slow motion, and let's click here. and that is super amazing. Now we are having 960 fps on this phone again, and in that brilliant, I think this is one of the coolest feature of this ROM. Every custom ROM should include this camera, and then we will also have the option to install the Google camera as per our convenience. So this was the reason why I installed this ROM at the first place. I'll be reviewing this ROM with the MIUI camera as well, and hello, it says hello to me, and hello tech means hello tech scale. That's super great, and the setting menu looks very clean, and I'll tell you. And if I go to system settings, and we have something going around here. If you go to about phone section and Android section, and as you can see, all of the settings and all of the information is here. Thanks Prab, the maintainer, you have done amazing job. And for some geeky peoples, the SC Linux status is enforcing, whatever it is, you guys better know. So let's install the safety net and check if okay, it also crashed for the first, and there is some problem again. So there is a bug, I believe. Let's just click on this and let's force start it, and let's now run it again. Let's see if it works. Click on this safety net, and this is some issue, I think. Okay, and if I click on this, so for some strange reasons, the what do we call it, the PlayStore is kind of I don't know what the reason can be. So Volty is here, and I don't know, there is some issues going around. Okay, so it have not signed me in yet. Let's see what's the reason. Now I think I will be signed in. Come on, man. Okay, let's go to the settings menu and see if in the accounts I am here or not. So I am here, as you can see. For some strange reasons, there is something going around with this thing. Okay, we'll fix this. I'll check it out and post it in the description to check it out whenever this video gets out. So and let's check the camera, the favorite thing that I wanted to see in this ROM. So let's see. Okay, it's very snappy, as you can see. It's snappy, it's work just like charm. So if I see this, okay, looks great. I'm very excited again about, because I don't think so around this price range any phone offers 60 fps, and even this is a 3 years old ROM phone and rocking a custom ROM. So I believe this is good. And apart from this, the UI is Pixel UI, is like the Pixel Plus UI. This is always great. This is very much comparable to the Pixel experience, although I feel this is some kind of version of that only, but that's just how I assume. But this is super great. This is super amazing, and I think a quick restart will work, but I don't want to turn the video to a little longer, so I'll just wrap it up here. And here is this pixelizer where you can contribute, and you can, from here you can edit, and the experience, how the tiles look like, and all the stuff is here. And I have already made a detailed video on this. I'll link the video here, right here. You can check it out and see all the features over here, just like this network indicator. Now we will be seeing a network indicator. If I just turn this off, let's see if anything is here. Let's see. I don't want to do anything. Okay, I am in. Okay, so fast.com, let's see how it works. And for some reasons, as you can see, the network indicator is behind this, and this is getting hidden. I don't know, for some reasons. So the internet space is pretty amazing here. Apart from this, what else are we having here? So double tap to sleep, 4G icon. Okay, there is something is getting hidden over here. We'll see what the problem is. So for now, this is how the ROM looks like. The ROM is super smooth, and if you want a gaming test or something, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll wrap the video here. And there are a lot of custom ROMs coming up on the channel. Subscribe and share the video with your friends, and do head on to the Telegram channel for more discussion. Bye bye, I'll see you in the next one.